Shoneni ndio tu cross huko. Tu cross Sylvia tuende tupaka alafu turudi because of time. Huko kwenye tulena tukapakia ile siku. Amina. Wewe slow down. Hai inashindwa. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Vlogs by Joanka. Hey, I've missed the vlogging, I've missed you guys. I hope you do the same for me. Anyways, I'm back and today I have an amazing content that I want to deliver. So today I'm going for kayaking. Kayaking is a water sport activity. And I've done it once, so this will be my second time doing it. Actually, my friends are waiting for me. I'm a bit late. We agreed that we are going to meet there at 2 p.m. and it's already 2 p.m. I wonder what time they got there. Anyways, I hope I'm going to catch up with them because I don't want to go to the ocean alone. So guys, come along with me and enjoy it. So currently I'm in Kilifi and we are kayaking along the creek. Yeah, Kilifi Creek. I'll be showing you. So stay tuned. And for those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. So this hotel is called Mnarani Club and we have another company within the premises which is called 3 Degrees, which runs all these water sports activity. I've done sailing before, so if you have not yet watched that video, kindly scroll down and you will find, I think it's the first video. Yeah, so keep it locked here. Guys, let me give you history about this place. So this area was my first area to record a video from, and guys, I really struggled. So my friend Amina was helping me film, and yes, I really struggled, but at least I'm gaining some courage to vlog. Yeah, step by step. We will get there one day. So here is the place. Hello, Amina here. Baridi. Unajua mimi wakati like kumeanza kunyesha, nimekaa kama umeona tutakuja. Sisi tumekuja tukinyeshewa. Lakini at least kuna jua. Hey, wazungu wamejaa hapa. Slide. Ndio mzungu mwingine je, nyanyeshe mzungu. Hapa. Mnaambia hawa. Gaibui ni mteja. Kaya, acha nilikuwa nadhania you already changed.
Yaani umekuja ukaitisha.
Mbona tunachelewa?
Nasikia kiu.
Ona kayak ni kidogo, kuna watu wanashare. So unashare nani?
Female. So let's get changed.
Kwani moja iko?
Ile double.
Ngoja.
Hizi hapo
Tumeamua inatosha. Oh, sawa.
Oh.
Kwa mama. Tutapambana na wewe. Tupangie Amina, tupange hizo kayak hapa kwa.
Here is my kayak. We are ready. We are ready to sail.
Ije time inaenda. Time sina control tukishaingia kwa maji.
Mimi mmeacha viatu. Joyce utanienda na hizi viatu tu.
si ni mkurudi mnaweza au mtaka picha?
Nyote. Amina mnaweza songa hivi kidogo nipige.
Nichukue tu hizi zenye ziko hapo karibu kabisa.
Kabla ishike line. Hey, mtagonga hii mama.
Oh.
Pipi ungepiga gas kwa kando ya kaya. Alafu basi Joyce anatupiga. Alafu pia pale kuna mtu mmoja.
Hey, photo session.
Sana pigana. Haya.
Let's sail. Ui, sasa mimi nitatoka tu. Gaye. Joyce kuja udisco. Good. Yeah, we are cruising nicely. Guy, nakugonga. Guys, sasa where am I going? Guy, mimi yake nashindwa kucontrol ndio nishike simu. Wacheni pressure kwanza. Guy. Ai Mungu. Maji ni mengi leo. Where are they? I'm scared. Wacha nishikanishe na hii kamba ingine just in case ya mwe inataka kuanguka kwa maji. Now we are going, we are leaving. I'm coming. Nashindwa kuhandle. Wait, let me gain balance. Let me gain balance. You're crashing. Let me show you. Yeah, mkuja mimi akilo ninashindwa kucontrol. Yay! Unajua tuko na 1 hour tutaivuka huko. Aki please don't crash. Walisema ukiona una crash hivi
huyu sasa ana confuse makamba.
Kuja hivi.
Aki mimi mtaniua. Sisi ndio umeenda.
Mimi leo sina control. Ndio sasa nataka kila mtu nimpige picha. Sasa ndio tukiingia hivyo ni kuenda juu mimi
Nikiingia chini ya bridge naingia story. Acha nimuende.
Sasa huko mnafanya nini?
Sinamwendea.
Wewe utaweza kuvuta watatu?
Swala hapa aje. Sasa utavutaje watu? Sinaenda hivyo, nangoja hao watu hii jama hapa.
Let's now roll. Twende. Sikia venye ninasema ati twende kama niko na hiyo courage.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you still think you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
I'm the last one.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing.
Amina, leo maji ni mengi. Hai. Experts. Sylvia, twende. Twende, Amina song, I'm crushing on you. Hey Sylvia, you're getting too comfortable on this creek, oh. Guy, tumecrash. Guy, nimeshindwa control. Twendeni ndio tu cross huko. Tu cross Sylvia, twende tupaka alafu turudi because of time. Huko kwenye tulena tukapakia ile siku. Amina.
Wewe slow down.
Hai, nashindwa. ride ile boat aje? Nyuma ama mbele yake? Hai. Woye, don't. Aki siwezi switch. Nimejaa maji. Tupiteni nyuma yake. Aya, Sylvia, the captain. Roll your boat. Roll your boat. Gently down the ocean. Woo-hoo. Gently down the ocean. Life is just a dream. Okay, look at the other activity. I hope you can see it. Woi, isimu isije kaanguka. Amina, umeenda wapi tena? Twende Sylvia. Twendeni nyuma ya boti hii. Row your boat. Row your boat. Gently down the creek. Gently down the creek. Life is just a dream. Where? Right now I'm in the middle of the ocean. Middle of the creek. Anyway, wacha niache kujichocha sana. Row your boat. Row your boat. Say cheese. I hope it's recording. Look at that. And that. And that. Guys, I made it to the other side. Look how far we've come. Let me show you where we came from. Let me zoom. You see the other side? I think it's about 400 meters from where our journey started. There is the Kilifi bridge, and the rest of the stream is still struggling. Oh, here is my kayak. Oh, sorry. Boat yako itaenda. Ndio ile side nyingine. Karibia hapo ukitokanga. Oh yeah.
Hey, number one.
No, I was the first one. Iko sawa? We are going back to the other side of the creek, but at least it will be easier going back because I think the waves are going that direction. Yeah, I really struggled, but we made it. Let me put the phone back to its clear bag. Guys, we made it back. Just imagine. Let me show you the other. I wish. Ako starehe. I think we are taking the paddles and the jackets first.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Please don't go.
Oh. Oh, let me come back after taking this. Yeah. Woo-ha! Finally, guys, we made it back, and it was a really enjoyable activity. So guys, if you're visiting, if you're coming to Kilifi, you can stop by Mnarani Club and enjoy this amazing activity. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ciao.